Make a great choice today with the 2008 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, fog lights, roof rack, braking assist, leather upholstery, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.